Question number 3. At a theme park called Snow World, tickets for adults and children are priced differently. 3 adult and 4 child tickets cost £99 altogether. Part A, using X to stand for the price of an adult ticket and Y to stand for the cost of a child ticket, express this information as an equation. So we have 3 adults, which will be 3x. We're adding the price of the child tickets and the 4 child tickets, and Y for child tickets gives us a total cost of £99. So we'll leave the pound sign off at the moment. So that's part A. We have the information as an equation. Part B gives us another scenario where we have 5 adult tickets and 2 child tickets costing a total of £109, and similarly we have to write that as an equation this time. So 5 adults this time will be 5x. We're adding the price of the child tickets, so this time it's 2 child tickets, which is 2y, and that in total costs £109. So if we hadn't realised it already, we should realise by now that this is going to be a simultaneous equations question. Part C asks us to find the cost of 2 adult tickets. The adult tickets are represented by the letter X, so what we'd want to do is find X and then multiply it by 2 for 2 adults. So to make things simple and straightforward, we want to label each of our equations, so we'll call them A and B. What we want to do now is we want to eliminate either the x's or the y's so that we can solve for x or y. In this particular question, it only asks us to find the cost of 2 adult tickets. So what we're trying to find is find x. So if we could eliminate y at this point, we don't in fact need to go on to find y. So that can be done fairly easily. If we look at our 2 equations, we have 4y and 2y. So if I were to multiply equation B by -2, then if we add it to equation A, the y's would cancel out. So we'll do that just underneath this line. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down equation A again. So that's 3x plus 4y equals 99. And then equation B multiplied by -2. So that's -10x -4y equals -218. Adding these together now and being very careful, so we have 3 plus -10x, which is -7x. Then plus 4y, add -4y, which cancels out as we were hoping for. And then 99 plus -218, which is -119. So we have -7x equals -119, which then tells us that 7x is equal to 119. So that means x is 119 divided by 7, which means x is equal to 17. So if we remember, x is the price of an adult ticket. The question asks us to find the price of 2 adult tickets. So that would be 2 times 17, which is 34. So that's in pounds, so we'll put a pound sign on, and that's the price of 2 adult tickets. Now, often in a simultaneous equations question, we would then be asked to work out the other variable, which is y in this case. But the question doesn't ask us y, the price of a child's ticket. It was only the price of 2 adult tickets. So in this question, this is the end.